Tradu enters the market as a heavy hitter in the world of finance, specifically designed for those who want a bridge between casual retail trading and high-level institutional tools. It is owned by Stratos Group, which sits under the massive umbrella of the Jefferies financial group. Since Jefferies is a Fortune 1000 company listed on the New York Stock Exchange, there is a level of serious financial backing here that is rarely seen in the world of trendy fintech startups. This connection provides a sense of security and liquidity that really matters when dealing with your hard-earned money. The platform functions as a unified portal where the user can manage two very different worlds of finance through a single sign-on. You can toggle between long-term investing in over 8,000 United States stocks where you have actual shareholder ownership and leverage trading using contracts for difference across forex, commodities, indices, and stocks. Having both an investment portfolio and a trading account in one app is a massive relief for anyone tired of jumping between different logins and managing separate tax documents. The pricing structure is clearly aimed at being disruptive. For those focusing on currency, the spreads are extremely competitive, with claims that they beat major competitors like IG and CMC 95% of the time. If the goal is long-term stock investing, the offer is commission-free for the first 100 trades or similar promotional tiers, usually followed by low flat-rate fees. One of the most attractive parts of this app for someone with a high cash balance is the 5% interest offered on uninvested cash. This is a huge benefit for anyone waiting for the right market opportunity, as that dry powder is still earning a significant return while sitting on the sidelines. The technology is equally impressive, featuring a clean and modern proprietary platform available for both web and mobile. For the technical analysts out there, the full integration with TradingView is a gold standard feature. It allows for execution directly from the charts, which is a major win for efficiency. They also include a tool called Analyst AI, which uses artificial intelligence to scan market sentiment and technical data, turning it into actionable insights. This helps solve the pain point of data overload by doing the heavy lifting of market research for you. When looking at the pros, the institutional security of Jefferies is at the top of the list. You are not just trusting a small app developer, you are trusting a global financial powerhouse. The 5% interest on cash balances is another massive pro because it turns your brokerage account into a high-yield storage space for your funds. The unified interface is a dream for the hybrid investor who likes to hedge their long-term stock positions with short-term forex trades. Furthermore, the lack of foreign transaction fees on many tiers shows a commitment to transparency that active traders will appreciate. However, there are some significant cons to consider. The most glaring issue is the jurisdiction restriction. If you live in the United States or Canada, you simply cannot open an account right now. Also, while the parent companies are old, the Tradu brand itself is very new. This means the community of users and the library of third-party tutorials are still quite small. The institutional focus also means the platform is very data-heavy. For a complete beginner who just wants a simple interface like Robinhood, the sheer volume of technical tools and AI data might feel overwhelming. There is also the matter of potential inactivity or data fees, which are common for institutional brokers but can be a surprise for the casual user. This tool is a perfect fit for the active hybrid investor who needs advanced tools and does not want to compromise on charting quality. It solves the pain point of fragmented accounts and low interest on idle funds. It is also an incredible home for those who value deep technical analysis. However, it is not the right choice for passive investors who only buy a few exchange-traded funds a year and never look at a chart. It is a professional tool for people who take the markets seriously. In summary, Tradu offers a high-power, institutional-grade environment with excellent interest rates on cash and top-tier charting integration. However, the risks include potential platform or data fees if you are not an active user, and the inherent risks associated with high leverage, trading, and contracts for difference. Always remember that while the 5% interest is a great safety net for cash, the actual trading of assets involves market volatility that can lead to significant losses, especially when using leverage. Additionally, the brand is still establishing its reputation in the retail space, so users should stay informed about any updates to fee structures or regional availability.